Now let's take a look at this figure 17-35. And it shows a box, and it basically states in the illustration, boxes should be so installed that the wiring is accessible without removing any part of the building. Again, we're over 1,000 volts or over 600, and this is routed over on its way maybe to a switch gear. But notice working space shall be provided in accordance with 110.34. Removing a cover, having access into the gutter space, say, it may be a condition of installation. But the wiring methods, the wiring must be accessible, not readily accessible, but accessible is defined in Article 100. And that would mean just removing the cover, having access inside of that gutter space in the box or maybe a switch gear if that be the case. And wiring methods then must be accessible in accordance with 314.72D is in dog, and that's what this figure 17-35 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.